to see you once again. I still remember my fond memories of your visit to Pakistan in 2015, when you were an important member of President Xi's delegation, and we signed agreements which was the start of CPAC. And Excellency, there is no doubt about this fact that you are a very dear and a very sincere friend of Pakistan, and your lifelong experience and your vision and your foresight has always supported Pakistan's cause and bringing the two countries together. You have played a very, very important role in this, and I vividly remember my visit to Beijing, and there I used to have meetings with you, and you were always supporting Pakistan's cause. So I'd like to thank you personally and on behalf of the government of Pakistan and the people of Pakistan for your outstanding role and contribution to bring the two countries together throughout your career. And I think your vision has also helped us in moving in directions which led Pakistan to achieve CPAC and investments and trade. So all in all, we are very, very grateful and deeply obliged to you for your support to Pakistan and to our cause.
尊敬的下巴斯总理阁下和我的同事们感到。
First of all, I wish to convey to you the cordial greetings and best wishes from President Xi Jinping and Premier Li Keqiang.
我们相信，在您和您所领导的政府的领导下，巴基斯坦社会、经济等各方面。
We have every confidence that under the leadership of your good self and your government, Pakistan will have even stronger progress in social and economic development.